1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 reps for Burley Hawk. That's a lot of weight and a lot of reps. All right. Man stepping up. One of our best athletes on Friday. He squatted this weight, 405, for 25 reps with no belt, no reps, no nothing. Last year he deadlifted against PD's old 525. They went at it for reps. I think he got 20 or maybe 22. So we could see a lot of reps here. Originally from Hawaii. Paul, Seattle, Washington is home. Proud Seahawks fan. Number to beat is 21, Higa. 21 is the number to beat. Let's go, Higa. Come on, big dog. Last deadlift to the cage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. One more ties it up. 21. One more for the lead. 22. I know Grant, he ain't gonna stop at 22. He ain't satisfied. 23. 24. 24. Let's get 25. You squatted this for 25. Let's deadlift it for 25. Come on.
2 blocks, 1 bud, and a bed.
25. What he got? Awesome, folks. He squatted out for 25 on Friday with no belt. He just deadlifted for 25 with no belt. He is the man. All right, we got one last event. We got a little